everybody, welcome to the video. This is a quick update video where I'm going to show how I destroyed this part of the drawing. I spent like 50 hours on this thing and I've destroyed it completely. So I laid too hard on the area, and that's one of the biggest reasons to destroy this area. uh, Another mistake that I made was that I used this pencil and a hard pencil. This pencil is like very smooth, it's a watercolor pencil, and when you layer with a watercolor pencil, it creates a really smooth layer over the paper, and it's very difficult to fill the gaps in that, and that's the basic comment. You can see that there are a lot of white gaps in that area which I cannot fill. uh, I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know the trick. I Well, there can be a lot of tricks that can overcome this, but I don't know them. I'll try to find them how to do that. And It's very difficult to fill the gaps, and I use a hard pencil. If you know that I use a watercolor paper that is like a bit or a lot of texture, and if you use a hard pencil for that, then the problem is that if you press it even a little bit hard on the paper, the tooth of the paper gets disrupted, and they just go down, and then the pencil just goes floats on the paper, like it just goes above the paper, and that uh, prevents you from creating a lot of layers. uh, the tones are actually a lot different in all the areas, and the values, so I can't fix that. I guess it's hard for me to fix tones that I've already done, but I'll try to fix it on the cheek. It's very much, it's looking bad, to be honest. Don't lay too hard. Use a single brand pencil or a brand of pencil that you know how to use them on a particular area, and fill the gaps patiently. That's it. So yeah, bye.